I'm about to go deceive people that this is my hair. I'm about to go fool everybody that I know. I look like a rapper. Leo, use it very. The more you explore with it, the more you're less disappointed. Look at how shaky it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muna and I hope you're doing well. I don't really know my intro for sit down videos anymore because it's been a while, because I've been delving more into vlogs lately, but I'm excited to be back here. So I hope you're doing well and I hope you're excited to be here, because I am excited to be here. Today I'll be installing an extension. I got this extension from HerGivenHair and it's a half wig and I'm excited. So this is a half wig like I haven't seen before. Basically, we're going to unbox it together. I have opened it before, but I'm just going to open it again on camera, and I tried to package it exactly the way it came, but I think I did a pretty good job. So this is what it comes with. So there is tail comb, the one with the sharp end, which is great, and then the hair. So before we unbox the hair, there's also stuff inside. So basically it's kind of like a handwritten notes, I'm guessing from the brand owner. That's cute. And also the product instruction. This is more so it gives you instruction on all the kinds of hair that you have and how to install them or how to care for them, basically, which is very helpful, because I remember messing up a half wig I got the other time because it didn't have this. So I'm really excited about this. So this is by the way. And then there's a bag for traveling, you know, like to put your hair while traveling, which is great as well. And then for the hair, this is how it comes basically. By the way, this is an 18-inch wig, 3C and 4A. Yeah, that's pretty much the texture of the hair, and it's coily, which is kind of like my hair texture. I'm more for B, 4A, not 3C, but I'm excited to try this too. So when you open it, ooh, there's an extra strap and it looks really strong, like it will hold. I really love this. It's like a maternity bra strap, but that's by the way. This is what the hair looks like. It's still pretty jacked up because it's new. You don't expect it to come fully done. I'm going to go ahead and wash it so we know what we're doing with this hair. This is obviously not what I'm going to start with. I'm going to go and wash it and treat it like an actual hair. So think about it like this: hair being in like a plastic bag like weeks or maybe months, possibly a year. Imagine what your hair is going to come out looking like. So that's how you should think about this wig. Like, so once we give her a little bit of love and care, she would come back to life. So I'll come back when I'm done washing this hair.
Lazy and broke. No, we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cost a thing. But I don't wanna give up, baby. I just want you to get up.
So when you look at certain stories, sometimes you have to go through the wilderness. God will just leave you and it'll be very quiet. And the wilderness is a very important part of land, and go to a land that I promise you, your descendants will be more than the stars in the sky. And then also, out of the Israelites, who is the king of the Israelites? My weed addiction, my anger issues. Sometimes it pops up, but is it anywhere near? Part of my identity had been swept away of all that I can now tap in, ever live. The wilderness, I'm praying and asking God, rejected for jobs that I think that is going to be mine. I'm getting rejected.
So I guess I can't complain.
Okay, so I'm just gonna wear a hat under this because obviously I don't want people to know that it's not my hair, and yeah, and also I'm just gonna oil it. So I take down tomorrow isn't going to be insane, and also because it's actually quite hard because it dried up a little too hard. I'm just gonna wear a cap or wear a hat that I got from Prime. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Oh, it is! I look like a rapper. Leo, use it very. Okay, but I don't look bad actually. I like the whole twist, braid idea. I don't actually look so bad. I actually like it, if I'm being very honest. I'm just gonna drag all this down. All right, bye.
Don't cause the thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you see? I just wanna love you, baby. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make 'em drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in the vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. You a threat, you a boss, you a babe, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, you can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make 'em drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
Hey guys, so I'm done. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the most realistic wig I've ever come across. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. No one is ever going to suspect the way my hair blends into this wig. It's crazy. So this is what it looks like. If you want to get this wig, this particular wig, you can also get it in your hair texture. It doesn't have to be this particular hair texture. Just choose the hair texture that you want, you know, select what you like to go with, and it's going to blend in seamlessly. And you can do so many styles with this. This is a braid out. You can also do like a wash and go, a twist out, a braid out. There's just, the styles are endless. I can't stop touching it. I don't know if y'all can tell how much I like it, but this is so cute. I'm going to just do my makeup and then do my edges, maybe, because honestly I don't even want to do my edges. But I'm just gonna do my makeup and come back and show you guys what it looks like. So stick around. Yeah, so this is, oh, I have to reduce it just a little. So this is me with full makeup. I'm about heading out now and I'm about to go deceive people that this is my hair. I'm about to go fool everybody that I know outside. So oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm so cute. It's crazy. I don't even know how to act with this hair. I will see y'all tomorrow, or I'll see you guys on the next one. And also I dropped a code in the description below if you want to purchase this hair at a discounted rate. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so this is week 2 on my hair. So I just did like a bantu knot in front and I'm going to attach a video here. I did a bantu knot in front, and then I used a mousse to just like to do a wash and go at the back, and this is what I'm carrying for the week. I'm also thinking of a style to do next week, so I think I'll come back next week and show you how versatile this wig truly is. Hey guys, so I just finished dressing up, and I kind of did like this low manipulative hairstyle, and I'm thinking of ways to attach this wig to it. So I just drenched it with water and then put like a leave-in conditioner for it to just, you know, just no gel, no mousse, no styling product, just leave-in conditioner. So I just want to give you a snippet of what it looks like, not over manipulated. So I'm also looking for a way to wear this. I'm not sure if I even want to wear like a wig on top of this hairstyle, but I'm just testing out like a theory. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm pretty sure the braid I did at this side is like really big, so yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it. I was actually contemplating wearing this before, but this is what we're looking like here. I'm pretty sure I didn't place it well correctly, or I didn't place it well, but I'm just gonna do it well and then come to you guys, and we'll just see how the final look looks like. So this is what we're looking like. I decided to put it like underneath here. So yeah, this is what I'm going to my Owambe with. I'm done unraveling this flexi rods. This is what it looks like when this is what it looks like when you use flexi rod. This is how versatile this hair can actually be. That's why I'm so excited to actually show you guys. This is what I'm using for the week, and this is what I'm going out with right now. So this hair can transform into different things. The more you explore with it, the more you're less disappointed. Look at how shaky it is. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. You can explore it. This is where I put it, so you can actually cover the whole hair. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on the next one. Bye.